Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us do one question relating to inventory turnover ratio where two materials are given in the question and we are required to offer comments. Let us read the question from the following date. From the following details for the year ended 31st December 2014, calculate inventory turnover ratio of two items and put forward your comments on them. Material X opening stock 1st January 20,000. Material Y 18,000. Purchases during the year 1,04,000, 54,000. Closing stock 12,000 and 22,000. So we have details of opening stock, purchases and closing stock. We'll try to first find out the cost of material consumed in case of both the materials. In case of material X, we'll find out cost of material consumed. Opening stock on 1st January 20,000. Material purchased during the year 1,04,000. Closing stock of material at the end of the year 12,000. So it is 1,12,000. Similarly, we'll calculate cost of materials consumed for material Y. Opening stock of material 18,000 plus purchases of material 54,000 minus closing stock of material 22,000. So in case of material Y, cost of material consumed is rupees 50,000. Average stock, that is opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. In case of material X, opening stock is 20,000, closing stock 12,000 divided by 2. So it is 16,000. In case of material Y, opening stock is 18,000, closing stock 22,000 divided by 2. So in case of material Y, average stock is 20,000. Let us calculate now inventory turnover ratio. In case of material X, cost of material consumed is 1,12,000 and average stock is 16,000. So in case of material X, inventory turnover ratio is 7 times. Give material Y, material consumed 50,000 and average stock is 20,000. So it is 2.5 times. So inventory turnover ratio in case of material X is 7 times. In case of material Y, it is 2.5 times. Now we are required to compare these ratios and comment on this. Inventory turnover ratio is relatively high in case of X. It is relatively low in case of Y. Average period of inventory held in case of material X, it is 52 days. In case of material Y, it is 146 days. We have calculated average inventory held period 365 days divided by inventory turnover ratio. So we got it 52 days in case of material X. In case of material Y, we got it 146 days. It means that in case of material X, it is getting disposed of in a period of 52 days. Whereas in case of material Y, it is getting disposed of in 146 days. We can say that material X is well moving stock, whereas material Y, it is slow moving stock. In case of material Y, as it is a slow moving stock, management is required to find out the reasons. They are required to find out the reason why the inventory turnover ratio for material Y is low. It may result into future losses if the stock is not properly monitored. It may give rise to some losses to the business. Therefore, management is required to take some suitable steps in case of material Y based on inventory turnover ratio. So when two materials are given in the question, we can compare inventory turnover ratio, and based on that comparison we can understand which material requires more attention of the management to avoid the future losses. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.